guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. I have to get groceries and go grocery shopping, and I like to vlog when I do that because I feel like it's fun to show you guys what I got and everything. But first things first, I'm going to be going to the gym and getting an upper body day in. It's a very gloomy, ugly day here today. Okay, excuse the mess in my room, but I'm gonna open this package right now. It's from Dossier. I have worked with them in a different video, and it was my first time trying them. This is my second time trying them, and I've been using their perfumes just naturally all the time. I love them for the gym because they're nice and like fragrant. Like I feel like they just last. So I'll show you guys the ones that I got to pick out. So here is the first shade that I got. This is Floral Honeysuckle. Iconic scents, designer quality, but they're very fairly priced, which I think is really nice. And I like that the bottles are kind of small, so it's not like you have to fully commit to this forever. You can just try it out, but this is Floral Honeysuckle. Let's just give it a little smell. Ooh, she's fragrant. I definitely like it. I feel like it's definitely on the stronger side. It kind of reminds me of my grandma's perfumes, not in a bad way, like kind of taking me back to grandma. This one I'm really excited about. It's called Floral Marshmallow. I feel that I'm really gonna like it. Floral Marshmallow, and yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. I'm gonna spray this on the other arm so I don't get it confused. Oh my God. That smells so good. Okay, yeah, I'll be wearing this one today. This literally smells amazing, and I love marshmallow right now. I have a marshmallow fireside candle right here, and I love this. This is so good. This will be my new scent for a little while. But thank you so much to Dossier for sending these over to me. I love being able to try out new scents, new things, as I'm in an era of trying to kind of find like my signature scent. So if you're in the same boat where you just like to have different scents for different seasons, it's the perfect way to try them out, or a perfect gift for Christmas. I also wanted to note that if you ever get something and you just don't like it, they do free returns and exchanges. And a big thing that Dossier has is more affordable perfumes. I know perfumes can be anywhere from $50 to $100, and theirs typically are around $40. And they typically are always running some type of discount or special on their site, so be sure to be on top of those. And my code is MeganBangado5 if you guys want to save a little extra coin. And if you guys are a little bit unfamiliar with Dossier and what they do, they basically will take luxury scents and make them at a more affordable price. But yeah, I am a huge fan. Okay, time for a grocery haul. I got so much stuff because I haven't been here long enough to have a lot of food stocked up, but I'm gonna be here for like 2 or 3 weeks, so I got everything, so I hopefully don't have to go back. First thing, sweet potato. Then I got an onion, and then I got these shrimp. They're wild caught American shrimp, and I'm gonna make bang bang shrimp, but like higher protein. And then I got this is lemon basil halibut, giving like Gordon Ramsay. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to try more fish because sometimes I'm not in the mood for just chicken all the time, so I'll see if I like it. But sometimes fish can really upset my stomach, so hopefully that's not the case. I got tortilla chips because I'm gonna be making buffalo chicken dip, and then I really like these little like rice snacks, so I got them. And all of this stuff is from Aldi. Big pack of lemons. Then I needed a new soy sauce, and then I got Frank's Red Hot, or like a dupe for Frank's Red Hot. And then I got sour cream, got tortillas, I got breadcrumbs, which will be for the shrimp, and then I got Sweet Baby Ray's because like this is the only barbecue sauce that I like for some reason, and so I'm gonna use that on my chicken. Pineapple juice because I really enjoyed it last time I got it. This is the Greek yogurt I got, so it's just so like flavoring, and I'll use it to mix into stuff. Like I've seen people, they mix it with like ranch and stuff. It just makes it a little higher protein. I got eggs, so I'm gonna re-enter my sausage, egg, and cheese era, but instead of using English muffins, I got something else, which I'll show you. This is for the buffalo dip. Got some green beans because I really haven't been making vegetables here. And then peppers, and then couscous for with that halibut. I feel like it just fits for some reason. And then I got this shredded lettuce, which will go with the bang bang shrimp. I got a lot of stuff with like meals in mind this time. And then I got sharp cheddar and mozzarella, which will go in my buffalo chicken dip and my breakfast. We had one of these last time and I used it, and I made like a really quick like quinoa bowl, and it was really good. So I got another one of these pierogies. And then this is the meat that I got for the fajitas. It's like beef. It said good for tacos, so really swayed me. This is what I got for my breakfast instead. So they're like buttermilk biscuits instead. So each morning I'll make this, the egg and the sausage fresh, and I feel like it's gonna taste better than pre-making it. Like pre-making it was fine, but it just started to get a little dry. Boneless, skinless thighs for chicken adobo. Ground chicken for, I'm gonna make, oh, forgot the lettuce. I was gonna make lettuce wraps, but I can use this for something else. And then I got celery. This makes my mouth so itchy, but it's so good to me, and I'm gonna eat it with the chicken dip. And then these, I found maple sausage patties, and they're already in their own little circles, so then I can just use one a day, which is very convenient. That's it. I got so much stuff, but I'm stocked up and hopefully don't have to go to the store anymore, and I'm trying to be better about cooking good meals. I just feel like I haven't been eating enough in a day, so now I'm trying to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner and prep a lot more food. So, and then Katie and I are about to go to Party City, and we're gonna get her like those big balloons and any decorations for the house before she gets home, and then we're gonna hide it in the closet so she doesn't see it, and then we're gonna decorate the house with. Let's share what we got. You can't have this on right now.
That's not the volume. Oh my.
That's like when you do my AC. So just stop. That's not the volume. I got a peppermint mocha frappuccino.
I got the sugar cookie almond milk latte.
And what else? What else?
Because I wanted this really cute and silly Christmas cup. And then I got a cake pop.
What's the thing? I already almost lost the floor to this. Look at this one, it's really cute.
Perfect. That's what I said. It wasn't on the option wall.
Yeah. No, it is. It's cream.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm scared to let go. I'm scared to let go. What if I
Let's put the weight on it. We secured some balloons.
Something really crazy, something dramatic happened that changed my life.
There's a line of, I would say there was a line of like 10 people behind us. And Katie and
That's how the system
we
works.
stood there and I was like, clearly Katie's not gonna ask for the balloons. I'm gonna have to ask. So I say, excuse me, do you think that we could get some balloons? And then he has to go and he has to fill them all up, but he didn't have the balloons that we wanted, so he had to open every single balloon drawer to see, and we were like,
not that one. That one doesn't really match the colors.
But then
we're going for.
We found our super sleigh balloons at a cost, at a big, scary,
a big risk was involved.
First they're blowing in the wind. Then we're like, okay, let's just shove them in the back. They blow out of the back. They blow out of Katie's hands.
Out of the trunk.
And they blow right onto this pole. Yeah, that was like the best look ever. I was just looking at your face and Katie goes, no! And this is what I like to call the world's best surprisers.
Do you see this?
I'm working really hard right now. She's got her ears. We're going to the ABC store.
Oh wait. Slay.
Yesterday we watched, I think it was called Love Actually. It was my first time watching it. I really liked it. We watched that. We watched the Bachelor in Paradise finale together, and then we stayed up till midnight for Amanda's birthday. I don't really have a lot of clips, and we drank a whole bottle of La Marca. I don't know. It was good. We mixed it with pineapple juice, and we were sipping while we were watching, and then I went right to bed, and I had to wake up early because I had a call this morning. Okay, we're getting ready for dinner. This is my outfit. I've changed like 5 times, so we're just gonna go with this one. A little leather jacket, corset top moment. These pants I thrifted that I wear literally all the time, and my Doc Martens. It's giving a little streetwear vibe for the country. Amanda's putting on a really cute outfit. We're gonna go take her pictures, and then we're gonna go to the restaurant after. Hey, picture time for Amanda. And for the grand finale, we have a champagne pop. We're at the restaurant. We all ordered pineapple martinis. Waitress, all around. 10 of 20.
Amanda.
21. If you ain't drippin', you ain't sippin'.
Kid, I was like,
Don't spill your milk.
Our waitress went from 1,000 out of 10 to 8 million. They came to us and they brought us these because they knew we would appreciate them. And you know what we said? That's fair.
That's fair.
Final drink of the night.
Final drink of the night.
Sunset.
Presentation.
You guys,
Presentation.
did you guys ever
10 out
make
of
this
10.
in the Heineken
10 out of
bottle?
10. Okay, this might be my favorite.
I knew
This might be
I
it.
knew you guys.
It's
Okay, I'm ready.
sunset.
Why are you holding it like that? Go Bulls! Go Bulls!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amanda. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
This is the final surprise of the evening.
What is the cupcakes?
So at this point, this vlog is so many different days and so many different things were happening, but we just felt like we need to share Candle Day with you guys because we did last year. We did. This is the first one I got.
This is a
and
mysterious
we
smell.
cannot figure out. Bergamot waters. It's so familiar.
It smells like something I know.
So familiar.
I just don't know what it is, but it's so familiar.
So familiar. Did we have this in a soap?
I know, that's why I'm thinking, like, it almost smells like a soap or like something I would
like that we would
wash
use
myself.
a lot because it smells really freaking familiar. Eucalyptus
Oh, I
Snowfall.
want to actually smell that one. 'Cause I didn't smell that at the store, but I remember liking it.
I like it. It's like eucalyptus for sure.
Yeah, but it's like
Settled.
I understand the Snowfall name.
Yeah, and I
There's
like the
like
packaging. I think
A
it's pretty.
crisp.
Linen and lavender. I don't like the packaging, but she doesn't care
You
about
got linen and lavender? Wait.
because they didn't have
Uh-oh,
just
this is gonna
lavender.
make me regret my.
Why? My mom was like, I love that one, so don't worry. And then lastly, Katie really convinced me on.
So good. So good.
Yeah, I can smell it. Not even
So
open
good.
yet.
I
Rose
love
water
it.
and ivy.
I'm like sad I didn't get it.
I really like it. It smells honestly like your family.
It smells like Abby's room.
Abby, it smells
like
literally-
Abby's room because she has like 7 that I get her every year.
But okay, that's my haul. Katie's turn.
Let's start out with the most controversial,
I hate things that smell like trees. I think it's
which
so
is vanilla balsam.
balsam. Anything balsam.
Balsam.
I don't even.
I actually hate balsam too, but this candle smells like also
Balsam.
vanilla, and it was the vanilla like.
Oh my god! Like
It smells
okay,
so good.
I'll be fair. To be fair, it does
You
smell like
smelled it at
Christmas.
first and you were like, oh, like I actually don't think it's that bad. The vanilla, it ends with like a vanilla.
I don't hate it. I just really don't.
I don't know,
really.
it smells
I wouldn't
exactly
burn
like
it
Christmas.
in my room,
It's-
but I really like the
it's
packaging.
so cute.
The packaging is really cute.
Trees.
Yeah, I
You're
agree.
gonna see the baby. I don't wanna know.
We found the new Weekend song.
Yeah, and we were just
I don't
comparing.
wanna
and we were
know.
comparing and contrasting.
Yeah, like a Venn diagram as Kamala Harris. Really? Have you seen that video that she's like,
Yeah.
I love Venn diagrams.
I love Venn diagrams, the little circles. I
was like, she's just like me for real.
I sent that to Abby because it was like me trying to convince my stat teacher to not fail me. And Abby was like,
Anyways, she didn't get this one. I was gonna
It
get
was the last one. I remember if Caitlin watches this, me and Caitlin really scouted this out.
I like that
in
one a
Short Pump.
lot.
You can't even, I feel like you can't see it, but it's really, it has like forest and it's just
What's
so
it called? You have to tell them the
stunning.
name.
Oh, it's vanilla birch.
Okay. I like the packaging on that.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
It's
really
like vanilla
good.
with like a smoky.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Smoky is
It's
the
really
good.
good.
way
I
to-
hope Caitlin showed up. And oh my god, we should text Caitlin and see if she went to remind her.
Yeah, she needs to be reminded.
Then I've had my eye on this for quite a while. Falling Flurries.
Very
It's like
nice.
winter woods. So cute.
It's really soft in my opinion.
Yeah, I really
But
like-
I'm
I've never had
interested
candle
on when
like
you
it.
burn it because I feel like it'll get more intense as you burn it.
This
longer.
also smells familiar. Like it's almost linen.
It smells like Dove soap.
I just love it.
It smells like my body wash.
It smells so good. Okay. And then this is my favorite one. I don't know what. This is the best thing I've ever smelled.
Literally
in my
like
life.
50 times in the store.
I couldn't.
I cannot get over this smell.
It smells so
I
good.
cannot believe
It
how good
literally
this
smells amazing.
I really like the packaging.
It's called pink lilac and vanilla.
It's kind of like, it's really bright out. It's just really light, I think.
Ugh,
Yeah, that does
it's
smell
so
nice.
good.
I like it. I just can't
don't
put my
even-
finger on what it
I
smells
can't
like.
either,
Oh
but
my god, I
it's
think it's
really
gonna make me
good.
sneeze.
And I like got a lot of candles for Abby and Nelly though.
Her
But I won't
sisters.
tell them that. I mean, I don't.
Put it really
Cactus
close, yeah.
blossom
That
and
one?
white
Gardenia.
gardenia.
Cactus blossom is like a really good scent.
Yeah, like I've been wanting to.
It's
get
really
this
good for
Abby.
anyone who lives in a warm state, I feel like.
It smells so sweet. Like it's so
Wow,
good.
that's really good.
And white gardenia too. Like I really like both.
White gardenia is like a, it just gives
It
me
smells
like
like
a
a
home.
flower
It gives
petal.
me home. You know what I mean?
It smells like I just
This
stubbed my
is
nose in a
home.
flower.
That's what we got today, and I only
And a
have
vanilla balsam.
4 minutes left on my SD card, and I didn't film an outro, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't even remember what was in this. We went to the gym together. I showed you guys a package. We celebrated Amanda's birthday, and we got
Did
candles.
you get dinner when we went?
Oh, I got dinner. We'll see how much of dinner comes in the vlog.
Arm.
But anyways, we're gonna end the vlog here. And we're also about to take pictures in the car right now before we go home. So we will see you guys in the next video. Katie, say goodbye.
See ya. Love sharks.